6426. We are on the upper deck, and let's check it out. All right, so coming straight in, we do have a balcony room. So just straight in the hallway, you have your closets with lots of space. Really a lot of storage. I kind of wasn't expecting so much storage. We already have some of our things. We have not gotten our luggage yet. Coming right in, this is where Hadley's bed's going to be, and then Hayden's comes out of the ceiling, and we'll show that in just a moment.
Oh, that is cool.
A little coffee table. Daddy chilling on the bed.
This is gonna be your bed. That's my bed.
Over here we have the vanity area.
I want that.
And Carnival has been so nice to give us a bottle of wine and a fruit basket.
A fruit basket.
Yeah, so we're excited about that. That was nice. We've ordered our water. Have plenty of water. Over here you have, there's your blow dryer. Lots of little storage. Yeah. Stool for your vanity. Trash can, it looks like. Watch out, Hayden.
I'm gonna drink some wine.
Mini fridge in there. And then let's see if it's stocked with anything. No. Okay.
I guess you have to like buy something.
They do have these bottles of water. They're $3.75 each though, so we've already bought our water though. TV. More vanity area. More storage. Bed. I don't know. Let's see, down here where the safe is. Is there a safe? Maybe in there?
No.
No, nothing.
I already looked.
What? Oh yeah, life jacket's important.
One over here.
One over there. I wonder where the safe is. And beds are tall enough where you can store your suitcases, so that's nice.
I could go under it. I'm gonna go under.
All right, let's go check out. Oh goodness, I locked it.
Shoes on to leave the room.
I don't know. Pull, push, maybe. Pull, push. We figured it out. All right. Balcony. Da-da-da. Two chairs. Enough room for 4.
A little bit of vomit.
Oh, yeah, we won't show you that. It looks like somebody got sick on the last cruise, maybe.
Yeah.
So here's
maybe like the boat was moving and they got sick.
Yeah, that we'll say that.
They got boat sick.
Here's Port Canaveral out our window.
There's a little
getting ready.
Table.
And coming back inside, we did ask for the beds. You can kind of see their division here. We did ask for a king size bed, so you can choose king size or 2 twins. I have yet to find the safe. I'm going to try to find that. All right, let's check out the bathroom. Knock, knock. Anyone in here?
All right. I found the safe.
Awesome. Oh, Hayden found the safe. Under the TV. Perfect. All right, looks like you maybe use your sail and sign card to open it. Very nice. And bathroom, toilet, everything you need in here. Vanity area. Storage, more storage under the sink, it looks like, just a little bit. Shower. And they do have shampoo and shower gel, no conditioner, so that'd be nice to know. It looks like we have a clothesline to dry your swimsuits and things like that. All right. This will be our home for the next 4 days.
What about that?
Something to note. This is the only outlet I've seen so far, and I've heard that there's not anymore. So we did bring extra, like a little plug that has 4 outlets, so that would be good to know. All right, we just got back to the room from dinner, and they have our beds ready.
Yes.
So she's excited about the 2 little bunk beds.
Yeah.
So that'll be nice, huh?